Dear students, we are going to solve one numerical problem from the chapter solution. Now question is, calculate the mole fraction of benzene in solution containing 30% by mass in carbon tetrachloride. That means you have to determine mole fraction of benzene. You have the solution benzene and carbon tetrachloride. Now 30% by mass is benzene. So what we will do? First of all, we will assume mass of solution and it is 100 gram. So solution let the mass of solution be 100 gram. Mass of benzene is equal to 30 gram. Now mass of carbon tetrachloride is equal to 100 gram minus 30 gram is equal to 70 gram. So in these problems we assumed the mass of solution which is 100 gram as given 30% by mass, that is benzene. So mass of benzene is equal to 30 gram. Mass of carbon tetrachloride is 100 minus 30 gram, because 30% is benzene, so remaining part is 70%, which is carbon tetrachloride. Now we have to calculate number of moles for benzene and carbon tetrachloride. If both these constituent will be calculated, then we can calculate the mole fraction. So let us calculate number of moles of benzene. So we have number of moles of benzene is equal to mass divided by molar mass. So what is mass? Mass is 30 gram and molar mass of benzene. So let us write down the formula of benzene, C6H6. This is benzene. Now 6 molecules of carbon, so 6 into 12, because in each carbon having mass 12 gram. Now one hydrogen having mass 1 gram, so 6 hydrogen is equal to 1 into 6, which is equal to 72 plus 6, it is 78. So mass of benzene is 78 gram. So molar mass of benzene is equal to 78 gram. So after dividing, you will get it approximately 0.385 mole. This is the number of moles of benzene, which is equal to 0.385 mole. Now our aim to calculate number of moles of carbon tetrachloride. So number of moles of carbon tetrachloride number of moles of carbon tetrachloride. So what is the formula of carbon tetrachloride? It is CCl4. So again the same formula, mass divided by molar mass. mass. Molar mass. So let us calculate the molar mass of carbon tetrachloride. So one having one carbon, 1 into 12 plus 4 into 35.5, because each chloride having atomic mass 35.5. So it will equal to 12 plus 4 into 35. 4 5 ja 20, 4 5 ja 22, 4 3 ja 12, 13, 14. So it equal to 150 2 to 4 154 gram. Now is equal to given mass is 70 gram divided by 154 gram, which will come out approximately 0.4445 mole. Now we have to calculate the mole fraction of benzene. So mole fraction of benzene, mole fraction of benzene is equal to moles of benzene divided by moles of benzene plus moles of carbon tetrachloride CCl4, which is equal to 0.385 divided by 0.385 plus 0.455, which will come out 0.458. Hence we have calculated the mole fraction of benzene. Thank you.